Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motorcars LLC. We're located in Brandon, Florida, right near the intersection of Interstate 75, Florida Highway 60. Our phone number is 813-340-0918. We work by appointment. When you see something in our inventory you like to see, give us a call. We'll make arrangements to meet with you at a time that's most convenient to you. Folks, want to show you a beautiful, beautiful Corvette we just got in stock. 1975 T-top, showing 75,000 miles. We believe it to be accurate. We can't guarantee it, but original drivetrain throughout. Beautiful, beautiful white paint. I'd consider it show paint. There's not a flaw in it. Beautiful white gloss. Have your original rally wheels. Little bit of customization. You can see they changed the back tail to the ones used on the 79, but just some tasteful things. It's white with a tan interior. Like I said, not a mark on it. So much stuff has been replaced on this car. I can't describe it. I mean, this car is just absolutely shows as new. Let's take a look at the inside. Door panels, perfect. Seating, perfect. Sun visors, perfect. Beautiful custom steering wheel. Have all your gauges work. It's a 4-speed car, folks. And you can see the miles on the speedometer, 75,000 miles. Dash, perfect. Even the chrome that they're using to fasten the sun visors on. Beautiful seats. Look back in here, the compartment, all new carpet back in there and here. You know, just even the new bumpers for the seat. Door panel on the other side. Your dash, just absolutely gorgeous. The underside, if you look at the pictures I've posted as well, no rust frame, just absolutely beautiful. All new power steering components. It runs so fine. You know, new clutch, everything's underneath is new. Folks, I just can't say enough about this car. If you like this year's series of Corvette, you want a car that you don't have to do a thing but sit in and drive it, this is the one. So give us a call, 813-340-0918. And I'm Joey. Give me a call and come and see this beauty. Appreciate you watching. Be safe. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.